Man. Man is the Jamaican word of the week for the week of December 31st, 2023 to January 6, 2024. In the Jamaican language, man has several meanings. Firstly, on the noun, meaning one, an adult male human. Example, one man did try sell me something this morning. Meaning two, a human being. Example, a God no more can make man. As a pronoun, male speaker referring to himself. Example, a what kind of pay this them a give man? As an adjective, meaning one, of the male sex. Example, the man dog they keep on a beat up a puppy them. Meaning two, describing a tree that never bears fruit. Example, you know bear enough that the mango tree a man tree. An interjection, meaning one, used in response to a statement to express agreement. Example, Speaker A, Kingston people love excitement. Speaker B, man, meaning two, used to emphasize the following statement. Example, man, the whole place full of me I tell you. And as a discourse marker, used at the end of a statement to convey emphasis or as a softener. Example, me love when Pitney do good man. If you would like to receive the word of the week, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will get notified when we post a new word.